Yeah.
Here's the door.
Possibly. Oh, good.
Let me out, let me out.
Get out.
Oops. Wait.
What?
What? What?
Did you throw a
What happened?
grenade?
No.
Oh,
I accidentally opened Jess's backpack or something, I don't know.
I've done that before.
Touch my backpack.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Let's see how Calvin's going. Calvin? Right. Oh, look at you. He's done some work. Keep going. I'm proud of
Nice.
you, buddy. Proud. Keep going.
Proud of you. Nice work.
I'll tell you, you just gotta throw a couple of rocks at him and he'll start being compliant.
So
When are we going to be ready to go back in the cave?
maybe
Never?
when we have guns.
Or at least if we all have bows.
Yeah, that would certainly help.
Just place it here, Jess. Oh, there, that's fine.
No, it wouldn't go on top.
No.
Oh, I left one over here. I'll bring that back.
Calvin, you're not doing your job. You confused? I'll tell you again.
Get the wood, bitch.
I got more rocks if you need them.
I would just go down.
So where are we going?
I don't know. How much of the day do we have left?
Plenty. We could head up the stream until we get to the purple thing. Or
Sure. We'll get some squirrels and whatnot on the way. Let me have a spear
yeah,
out.
there's a glowing green flashy thing up on the stream if we keep going as well, so let's get to that.
Yeah, let's just follow the stream up.
Hey, pretty lady.
Hold on, let me get a drink first, and I'm gonna take a bathroom break.
You can get a drink all the way up the stream.
Yep, no, but I'm taking a bathroom break as well.
Oh.
Alright.
I'll be back.
She'll just have to catch up.
Ash, you're with me. Let's get some squirrels.
Alright. Oh, I still can't
Squirrel!
do it.
Back. You guys left me.
We're just looking for some food.
Oh, it's what stream. It's a squirrel.
Oh, I can't get this bird. I think he's too small.
I miss the squirrel. Yeah, I think the bluebirds you can't eat.
Yeah, you just get feathers.
Oh, yeah, that's why I couldn't. It looks like there's some fishing ponds coming up ahead.
Oh, there's squirrel!
Squirrel!
I
Where did it go?
don't know. Squirrel?
God, they're hard to catch. Squirrel!
I'm on the other side of the stream.
I got one!
Oh.
Hey! Looks like meat's back on the menu board.
Get back here, little squirrel.
Get here! Ay, 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 ay.
Squirrel!
Ay, ay,
Squirrel!
ay, 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 ay. Oh, got him.
Where'd you go?
Squirrel!
Oh, nice.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Did I get one?
Ash is bringing home the bacon.
I thought I
What
got
the
one.
fuck was that?
What? Oh, there's a guy in the tree. Guy in the tree over here. You see this guy?
Let me out the tree.
Right
Let me
here.
out. I mean,
Oh, he's got his big shitty knife.
Oh crap. Get him from behind.
No,
Oh no!
I'm dying. Oh.
I'll just meet you up here, yeah?
Oh, you got him. You got him good.
Right in the chest.
Nice,
Let's take him.
nice work.
How do I get up here?
I just jumped up the rock.
Ah, squirrels everywhere. Get him, Cass.
Where?
Over,
don't see
in the
any
water, in the
squirrels.
water. In the water. He's running.
Where?
In the water.
Ah!
Go,
Get
go, go.
back here!
We're getting close
Damn
to
it! Missed him.
Ah, what?
Oh.
Damn. Are we getting close? I probably
Yeah,
don't.
damn it.
Yeah, it's up here, around the bend.
What was that?
Oh, that was me.
Around the
Damn
bend.
squirrels. I
Squirrels.
hope you got enough squirrels. I haven't got anything.
I haven't got any.
I got 2. I got 1 cooked meat as well. Attack! There he is!
Coming to you, Ash.
I can't see him! There he is! Ah!
The thing should be just up here.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, what's
Oh.
that? Golf cart.
Oh, God. What?
Ooh. Is that water? Is that a
Can I
water
drive
jug?
it?
Oh my god.
Is it?
Is
No,
it?
no, it's not.
No, it's like a...
What?
We got some fuel
Bird.
from it, I think.
Ah.
What's this? Oh. Oops.
What is that?
Another one.
It's like one of those things.
These are,
that they-
these are like leveling things. Oh, hey, Naturaholic! Welcome back! How you doing?
I'm like, who the fuck is she
Is
talking to?
that our old friend?
It's my chat.
Old friend.
Naturaholic joined me when I played
What
Atomic
old
Heart.
friend?
No, sorry, he's not our friend.
He's not your friend. You dig up that dirt in the middle, but you need a shovel. Oh, this dirt. Oh, I
Aye,
see.
aye.
We need a shovel. We need a shovel, guys.
I have a shovel.
I don't have one.
I don't.
Oh,
Oh,
I see the
okay.
little digging thing there.
It's a digging thing.
Right.
With shovels in the cave, I ain't getting it.
All right, so let's move on to the purple thing. The
All right,
purple
wait.
thing up ahead.
Where it? Oh, for God's sake! Kenny!
Oh, he's got his fucking. Oh my god!
What?
Kenny, get out of the fucking fire!
Aye, aye. That's it, Kenny. Take a break. I'm
Skin
tired of looking
pouch.
at you.
Oh, skin pouch has some supplies in it. That's
Yeah.
nice.
It's a
A what?
moose! It's a moose!
Get it!
He's got my spear!
Some-
We need that food!
He took my
Stumbles.
spear, the bitch!
Oh god.
Where'd it go?
He
Over
ran.
here.
Alright, how far away are you?
He ran so quickly.
Oh.
Eh,
Are we
sexy
sleeping?
lady. Yep.
Yep. I'm coming.
Ooh.
Sleep. Sleep.
Nom, 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 nom. I'll see you, sexy lady.
Oh god,
Uh-oh.
I'm hungry. What's
That
my
ain't
inventory?
that ain't a sexy lady.
What? Oh, that woman's back.
Have you guys seen Mulholland Drive yet?
Mahalo what?
No,
Mulholland
I haven't.
Drive.
I don't know what that is.
Didn't I
It's
tell you
a
about
David Lynch movie. Yeah, you talked
Oh.
about it.
Yeah. Well, what I was gonna say is that these weird, ugly people remind me of the scary thing in that movie.
Is there a scary thing?
Yeah.
I don't really know much
scary.
about
I
the movie.
almost shit my pants.
Oh, really? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know why you want me to watch that movie.
Well, no, it's really good. It's artistic and it's so meta.
So now where are we going?
To the purple thing that's close by on our map. It's just up the
Purple
stream a bit further and then past the stream.
Okay, what do we want
I thought it'd be
Mr.
good.
Dude to do?
Oh. Go back.
I'm getting out my spear.
Build, stay, take a break, clear, take item.
Huh?
If you want him to follow us, you might as well follow us.
I didn't see any purple thing.
You can follow us.
Alright, let's go. On your map.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, mine's not beeping. There we go.
Oh, I feel like it's aliens or something.
I think it's just where we need to go.
Isn't it just a person?
Might be.
Going.
Oh, stop beeping.
Are you getting closer?
Where is it?
Oh! There's a guy! Wait, is that Kevin?
That's
Kelvin?
Kelvin.
Oh, I thought it was someone.
I think
up here?
it's on top of
Is
this
it-
hill.
Oh,
We gotta keep
How'd you
going
get up?
just find your way up.
Mine's not beeping as much now.
Oh,
Yeah,
mine
no,
didn't either.
You better get up
You
first.
gotta go around and then get up and then go back for it.
Oh,
Jess, someone's following you. Or is
Huh?
that Ash?
that's probably Kelvin.
Is it Kelvin?
This
Oh,
thing
I'm
is
behind you,
beeping
so...
off the charts.
What's it? Treasure chest.
Oh!
No, what is it?
What?
Is that it?
I don't think it's what it's beeping at, but I got some
Oh.
stuff.
Some supplies.
I think it must be beeping at it.
Why would it be? It's like
I
nothing.
don't know. Do you think it's
Oh,
down?
what's that thing on the rock?
Okay.
Is it down? Could it
Is
possibly?
someone abseil down?
Sure.
This
Let me
looks like
just
a,
let me just get out my.
anchor for an abseil.
Oh, where?
Like someone must. The rock with the rope on it.
Oh, can I go down? Oh, so we should go down there. Oh, there's someone hung there. Oh God.
Oh,
Is there?
Oh, get down.
is that?
Get down there. They're hung.
Uh,
I mean, sorry, they're
Oops.
hanged.
I fell. Oh. Okay, can you cut him down with the rope? Cut the rope?
Can you? Why did we all come down?
What?
Because I wanted to see what's going on. Yeah.
I think we should cut him down. Oh,
How?
I'll go back up.
Is that Puffington?
I think it might be.
No,
the
it can't
purple.
be.
I'm assuming that the purple things on our map are
Can someone throw their axe?
the people that we're after.
No.
No, I'll go back up there.
Or bow and arrow?
I'll go back up there and cut the rope.
All right,
if
get
it
to work.
works.
Quick sticks.
Yeah.
Get to work. Oh, you got him.
What?
Is he falling down?
Oh God!
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
he's dead.
Of course he's dead. He
he's
was
dead.
hanging.
He had a torch.
He's dead. We didn't save him. What's his?
Look at his butt.
I got a torch though.
Does that run on
nice.
batteries?
Torch.
I don't want to waste it.
I got his GPS locator.
Yeah, it runs on batteries.
All right.
Yeah, I got that as well. But
All right.
Oh,
Well,
he's dead.
so that's the GPS going.
wow,
Ow!
where's my shit?
Stab me.
I didn't beep to. I was like, beep.
Oh.
All right. What do
Gotta
we
use some
do?
meds.
Should we head home? Because
Probably a good idea.
looks
Yeah.
like the next purple is
Which
kind
home?
of back that way.
All the way back.
The one we're building or the one where
I don't
There's a
know.
cave nearby here.
Oh yeah.
we're not going in a cave?
Yeah, I know. I saw them.
Guys, get
I
ready.
saw a bunch of people. I saw a tribe.
Where's this deer?
I got one here. Oh, there's a bunch of
Yeah,
people.
Oh
Yeah,
my God, it's camp.
Just get away from the
Get
camp. Come this way. Come this way.
No, they might have some supplies.
Oh,
He's
right,
got a
okay,
big
fine. I guess
stick.
We can take on the camp.
Oh
Oh, he's big.
yeah,
He's big.
run! Run for
Can you
your
use your
fucking
axe?
lives!
The block.
Oh yeah.
God's just running at
Watch
you.
out, man! We'll just take them one at a time, all right? Play it nice.
He's dead.
Ow!
2 more coming.
Sorry.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt by Jess. He's going for Kenny! Oh! I'm gonna get Kenny.
Ah, he's big. He knocked me down. He knocked me down.
Fuck
He
that.
knocked me-
Please.
He killed me.
Come
He
on,
killed
Jess.
me.
Someone help me!
I'm down.
Help
Where'd
me!
you go, Cat? Oh. Watch out, watch out!
Where am I? I'm not worried.
Quick,
I'm not
let's
carrying
grab
my
this stuff and get out of here.
big axe. That's my big axe. Ah.
There's a chick at the camp.
Take it down!
There's
Ah.
people over here. Did you guys just leave me?
No, we didn't leave. We're just looking
What
for
if we
stuff.
cut? What if we cut this guy down? He'll go kill them. I'm gonna test this theory. Okay.
If he comes after us, I swear to God.
I think I'm hoping he's gonna attack them. Oh, he might attack us.
What? He's coming
he's
straight
attacking
for
us.
you, Jess.
Right.
I think we gotta run.
Oh, canned food. Lovely.
Oh, watch out,
Oh,
Jess.
shit. I'm dead.
I told you to watch out. Ah! Ash, healer!
Kill me.
Hurry, Ash! Where are you, Ash?
Help!
Kill me.
He broke it. This guy's mad.
Where are you?
I'm
Help
coming.
me.
Kath, you're gonna have to get
Ash,
that.
they're coming after me, so you better fucking heal her.
Oh, one of them's coming
Are
up.
you gonna heal me?
Here you go. God, impatient, Jess. Goodness. Now get to
Oh,
work.
I'm dead.
Get to work.
Now,
Take-
hang on. Where was this canned food you said that was around here?
It was in
Run!
the crates. Oh.
In the tush.
Oh, I said to run.
You gotta watch out for his kicks. His kicks are very powerful.
Who the hell is this guy?
Axe. Oh, he knocked down.
Jesus.
Oi. Oh. Yeah.
Dash! Help me.
Oh God. He's coming for me with his big foot.
I say we get. Ah! Help!
Oh!
Help!
I'm hurt. Help me.
Oh no, I'm down. I'm dead.
No, please say you're both not dead.
We're
We're
both
both
dead.
I'm almost dead. One more hit and I'm dead.
Ooh,
Just
take
get
some
one of us
meds.
up.
Take some. Get out of there. Take some meds. Come back.
Ay. Oh, I'm up.
I'll come back for the other one.
Run. What
It's
the
okay.
hell is he doing? God. Oh God. He's reviving people. Run, Jess, run.
Back it up. Run.
Oh god.
Guys, there's more people coming.
Oh, sexy lady's here.
Sexy lady, get to work.
Oh, she's pointing at the baddies.
Yeah, we're working on it, bitch.
Yeah, give us a minute. Bloody hell. Impatient.
Disperse. I need to take some meds.
I got a hit in on him.
Oh! Oh, I thought I could sneak around him. Can you get me?
Did someone... Here, hold... Oh, you
I
got
think
her?
he's dead.
Yeah. Ay.
He's dead.
God.
Why can we never take their weapons? Oh. Oh my God, his
Took
leg.
His leg off.
What the hell? What's that about?
Took his leg off. Right. I can't take his leg. I can't eat it. Oh, we used to be able to eat their legs.
We need to get home before you start eating legs.
I'm not gonna eat the legs. I'm fine. It looks nice. It looks like a
It
good
is
area.
pretty.
I don't know.
What about we
It's
build
not
on the
staying.
island?
There's not much room.
How are we
But-
gonna? We gotta swim over? I guess we can
Let's go
swim.
for swim.
Yeah, let's
Turtle.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at.
Turtle!
Oh, do you want me to take that meat?
Okay, let me stop that. I'll just cut it. I won't take anything.
Okay.
It's lots of sticks.
Oh, this is where people come to die.
Oops, I dropped the log the wrong way.
Whee! Oh, you silly.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Oh my God!
What?
What?
Oh God!
What? What?
What's going up?
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
What are you throwing?
You broke the logs. You broke them.
Oh God! Can someone catch
What do we do?
I guess we just leave them forever.
Help me catch them! They're slowing down!
What, you think
I'm
you're gonna
not
be able
going
to
out there
catch them?
catching them. You get the mash.
Oh!
What if they crush you? Oh my god.
Maybe we should build over on this island.
Well, they are slowing down. I see what you mean. That's good.
It's just the water's very buoyant, that's all.
it's coming.
Yeah, we just gotta push him in.
Oh, shit, I pushed it. I pushed it back out.
Where the hell did it go?
Oh, there's
I
a
pushed
boat
it.
here.
A boat?
Really?
Well, it doesn't work, but
Is it a yacht, like in the last game?
Oh, remember the old yacht? Classic.
Yeah, the classic old yacht. I'm very tired now. My character's very tired.
Well, we better
They're
get
not
going
swimming.
is
on
this going to be our
house.
permanent house? I like this area.
I like it too. I think this is good. We got lots going on here. Oh, there's a tiny little boat.
We're supposed to get all those
Is there
logs.
anything in
Why are
it?
they all in the water? No.
They fell?
There's a can here. Can I get this can? Can I make this boat sink? What's that?
Oh, it
it's
takes
a
a bit.
duck.
This isn't an island. I wanted an island.
It's not.
But it is like a
Oh,
peninsula.
well,
Then does it seem like a safe place?
I
Well-
don't know. I can't. I
I
think we can make it safe. Ah!
Yeah. But where's Kelvin?
I don't know. I haven't seen him in
Probably.
ages.
Somewhere.
I think he's
You can't
afraid of water.
swim. I'm tired. Ugh, I can't get out of the water. I'm gonna drown.
I think we'll be pretty safe here. We got the ledge.
That's nice.
Oh, Kelvin's making his way around. He just didn't want to swim.
Oh, good. Yeah, he can't swim. I'm a bit hungry. Can someone make me some food?
I'm hungry.
If you make a fire, I'll put a bunch of food on.
Alright, Kelvin, follow me. You got lots of work cut out for you.
I'll make a fire up here. Somewhere. This spot.
Where's Kelvin? Kelvin, come here. Where is he?
Making a
Here he
fire.
is. Kelvin. Alright. What I'm going to get you to do is clear 20 meters. Do it. You got this, Kelvin. He
Let me know
looks-
when you're done, Jess. I'll put some
Alright.
meat on.
The fire's on. Nice.
Might cook a bit.
Yeah, cook it all.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I got some raw meat. Got some stuff. What was that? GPS locator. Printer resin.
Who's cutting trees?
Oh, that's Kelvin.
Oh. Lovely.
I told him to clear 20 meters.
Oh, can you tell them to clear 20 meters? Is that
Yeah.
a thing you can do?
Yep. There's lots of things you can do with
That's
them.
nice.
I mean,
Nice.
some. Nom, nom, nom. Guess you're having some?
Oh yeah. Is that cooked? Oh, now
Yeah.
it is.
I've got another bit of raw meat. Do you want me to put it on?
Might as well.
Or everyone good? Yeah, I'll put it on. Why not?
I like meat.
There you go, guys. I cooked all I've got.
Nice work.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hate not being able to see.
Yeah, it's very frightening.
Especially when this guy's dropping trees on us.
Yeah. Meat.
Um,
Is someone gonna eat that meat?
I thought someone
I'll
else
eat
was
it.
getting it.
Why? I've already eaten two. Oh, I forgot that I also have a little bit of meat, like a tiny, tiny little morsel.
Well,
Might as well throw it on. Oh my god.
I think once we get the area up and running, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You making a lamp?
Yes, a lamp.
Oh.
Nice.
Doesn't do much,
That'll be
but
useful.
better than nothing.
It is better than nothing. Oops. Throw away mustard.
Oh, I have a feeling I can hear the McDonald's.
Yeah, what?
McDonald's.
I can hear the McDonald's.
I have no idea where we are. I think I'm just going to put up a tarp so we can sleep because seems silly to
Then
not
can
sleep.
we work on our island, or you want to go exploring tomorrow?
I think we gotta work on our island a little bit.
We can explore a little bit around the area and work on the island.
Alright, Kelvin. Enough of that. Where are you? Where is he? Kelvin?
I have no idea.
Oh, did he just move? Kelvin! Kelvin!
What's that? What?
What?
Ah!
What is it?
I don't
Oh crap!
know.
Ah, this island is not safe!
It's not an island.
It ain't no fucking island.
Well, we've got to fix that up tomorrow, don't we? We need to put a barrier or a door.
Okay, she's on fire.
Oh,
Who said she was on fire?
Yeah, no, there was another one. It came out of nowhere.
That's it.
there's another one.
Oh, nice.
We've got to work on. First thing we got to do is do a drawbridge or something.
Where the hell's Kelvin gone?
Ah!
Oh my god!
Kelvin's fucked off.
Where'd he go?
Of course he has. First sign of danger, he's gone.
Let's sleep.
I.
I will stay first.
Okay.
Hey, move over. I'm in. Hey, oi, oi.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready. Yay.
Ash, you'll have to show me how to build.
What do you mean?